Hey, house music producers. Today we're going to discuss how to use the vocoder to create melodic elements for your tracks. Okay, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pick out either a top loop or a percussion loop that has a little bit of swing, okay? Then we're going to grab a pad loop, okay? I went ahead and grabbed this one. Grabbed both of those loops from our Essentials Minimal Deep Tech Pack Volume 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a vocoder onto the drum loop channel, okay? So I already put one on here. Once we put the vocoder on the channel, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set the carrier to enhance, click the drop down, choose external, and then you're going to pick the audio from the pad that you just layered underneath the drum loop, okay? So boom, you pick the pad. And now you're going to turn the pad off, okay? And what we're going to do is now we're just going to play around with the release. We're going to play around with the format, okay? And let's listen to what it sounds like with the vocoder on the drum loop channel that's routed externally to and triggering the pad loop. Play around with the format and the release to taste. If you found this helpful, follow for more value.